wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best nail guns. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Freeman P4 FRFNCB Combo Kit is designed for heavy-duty professional applications. Each tool in the 4-piece kit has an anodized aluminum cylinder for surface durability, meaning less damage each time the piston fires, thereby improving its lifespan. It offers a finger depth adjustment, and its Teflon O-rings help to prevent wear. However, its nail depth is inconsistent. At number 9, the dewalt DWF-P12231 offers a long-life, maintenance-free motor, an easy jam release feature, and the ability to drive nails up to 2 inches in length. It boasts an optional non-marring tip for work on surfaces that will remain visible too. Its rear exhaust keeps contaminants away, and it offers a simple head setting, but its trigger safety is stubborn. Coming in at number 8 in our list, this bostitch BTF-P3 kit comes with a brad and straight finish nailer, a crown stapler, and a compressor, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. The price tag is actually quite low when you consider the base cost of any single element. It's electrically powered and it's easy to adjust the air pressure. However, the compressor is extremely noisy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nail guns, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the dewalt DC608K has a top quality motor designed for fast and consistent penetration into soft or hard materials. This battery-powered option can go anywhere and everywhere without dragging a hose behind you, and is a good choice for professionals. There's no lag between firings, and the trigger can be disabled for safety, but it is a little heavy and bulky. Moving up our list to number 6, the numax SFR2190 is ergonomically designed for operator comfort and comes with interchangeable triggers and a hardened driver blade made from high-quality steel. The detailed instruction manual makes it ideal for inexperienced carpenters. It's equipped with an anti-dry fire mechanism and a sturdy construction. It sinks 3-inch nails easily. Halfway up our list at number 5, the ryobi P320 airstrike is capable of delivering up to 700 brad nails per charge, allowing you to work for an extended period of time before needing to swap out batteries. There are dual LED lamps to keep your area illuminated as well. It alerts you to the presence of a jam and is compatible with all ryobi batteries. It includes an attached belt clip. At number 4, the Wen 61720 is an 18-gauge brad nailer that almost never jams, enabling you to finish a job without constantly having to stop and clear a misfire. The quick-release magazine makes reloading a breeze, so you won't have to slow down for anything until you're done. It's got a lightweight aluminum body and a convenient depth adjustment wheel, plus you can adjust the exhaust direction. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the metabo NT50AE2 provides professional quality delivery of finishing nails, so it's a smart choice for cabinets and baseboards. It comes with its own carrying case to make it as easy as possible to transport it to and from various job sites. It offers a non-slip elastomer grip, a visual reload indicator, and dual firing options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nail guns, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the battery-powered 20-volt porta-cable PCC790LA eliminates the need for an air compressor, saving you a little bit of cash and cutting down on the gear you have to lug around from place to place. The lithium-ion fuel cell delivers a respectable runtime to boot. It includes an LED lamp for visibility and a tool-free release lever. There are no hoses to get in your way. And taking the top spot on our list, you don't need to let the weather stop you from getting your work done if you have the cordless paslode 905-600. It's capable of functioning in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit, so you could be the only contractor who doesn't call in sick on the first bad day of winter. It fits between 16-inch studs and weighs just over 7 pounds. It's ideal for use on fencing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nail guns, or simply click beneath this video.